Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you never left. You're gonna go ahead and subscribe. I'm coming in with this pencil, white pencil in the color Milk from NYX. So this is gonna be able to, is gonna help make the color show up more. Like I said, when you're darker skin, you have to do a little bit of tricks here and there. So I'm gonna be using the palette from Juvia today, and I'm just gonna be coming in with. Let me see what color I'm gonna come in with. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and probably just highlight my brows under there, and just going to go in with that color there to just highlight my eyebrows. Thanks you guys again for your support. I'm going to end up showing, just so you make sure you're not hallucinating, I'm going to be showing, it's going to be in Jezebel under the arch. But yeah, I'm going to end up showing the shorter version of the hairstyle that I have in my head at the end. So don't know, it's not deja vu. I just want to show it again. So this one, this is gonna be my palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is gonna go in with this pink. It's really pretty. I think this is gonna be my staple color for this year for doing my eyeshadow. I don't know why, but it just looks so good on my skin tone. And I can definitely say for sure my inspiration today, of course, is Princess Tiana. She has like a light pink color, so I want to come with the pink and purple, do something different. And she has like this fuchsia type of pink touch red lip that as well. So I wanted to go in and try to, emulate that as much as possible. My eyes aren't light brown though, so I couldn't emulate all the way because some people, they're really particular. Anyway, these are the colors that I'm using today from BH Cosmetics. Yeah, I actually like it. It's very, how do I say it? It's very pigmented. Yeah, I really like the fact that it's so pigmented, and it's not expensive. Now, I did get it as a gift, but I want to say it's nothing more than $20. I'm just going to go in right here, right now. I'm just coming with that purple. Like I said, like you can just put pink, to emulate the picture, but I wanted to come in, it's showing up pink, but it's really like a purple. I wanted to show, I wanted to show to with the best makeup looks are the ones that are a little bit, I would say a little bit complicated. I'm fumbling today. Because I feel like if I just put pink eyeshadow, I'm just like, that's boring. Like I want it to be complicated. So I'm going in, of course, I'm just blending it in. Some of the foundation kind of fell a little bit, but I know they actually have like this cool palette that I saw from Princess. It's inspired by Princess and the Frog. I think I saw it on, I think when I Googled Princess and the Frog palettes, because I was just curious, they have that there that's dedicated to it. I think it's really cute. I want to say it's a bronzer because it has that cool design, but I think that'd be really adorable for people to do as well. That's Juvia's palette. And then again with BH Cosmetics, I feel like this is a palette that I end up using a lot, just not for this look, but because it has so many variety of colors. I don't like when I open a palette, and this isn't sponsored, by the way. I don't like when I open a palette and I feel like there's no deviation from colors. Like I'm just like, we want more. Right here, I'm just going in like with the brown, the Kenyan brown, just to go in and just, just like blend it a little bit. So like you see the differentiation in color, right? It adds more dimension. So like I said, like colors pop really well on darker skin. So I can that's me showing that I'm going to clean that up. So I ended up going in with the black. I have like a black eyeshadow that I put in the corners, and then I actually ended up blending that a little bit. And then I also came in with the eyeliner as well on the bottom lash line, because I've been doing this method and it's been working for me. I don't wear eyeliner on my top line anymore. I feel like it's purposeless. Whenever a makeup artist does my makeup for a shoot in the past, they don't go in there because there's no room. I have hooded lids. I know some people look at my eyes like, what's wrong with that? I was like, oh, I have hooded lids, baby. I know it's a struggle, but I know some people are going to get me for not having the top line, but I don't see the purpose of it. So I'm going in and I'm kind of just cutting my cheeks a little bit. So I cut my cheeks with eyeshadow like you're not supposed to. So I came with that Kenyan brown to like basically highlight my cheekbones, and that's pretty much the end result. Nothing too crazy. I feel like You know, Tiana's a natural beauty, so nothing that was going to be over the top or anything like that. But that's pretty much my end result. I really hope you guys like it and feel elegant today, as you always should be. But I definitely feel like I hit the mark on it. I think I would have added maybe a little bit more purple into my eyes, because I know that's the main color. And of course I went bright pink because I feel like bright pink looks really, really good on dark skin. But that's pretty much it. I like it. It's bringing, to me, I feel like it brings the green. It makes it like it matches the vibrancy of the green as well. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for your support. And this is just a rehash of the tutorial.